How to change theme in Sparrow Wallet app. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change the theme in Sparrow Wallet step by step. First of all, open up the Sparrow Wallet app on your device. Once you're inside one of your wallets, go ahead and click on the View button from the top left corner and select the theme option. Here you can see the light and dark option appearing. Click on the theme you want. Since I have the light theme right now, I'm gonna click dark, and there you go. The app theme will change instantly. If you prefer a darker screen for night use, you can select the dark theme option. If you want brighter theme, you can select light. So from here, you can easily change your theme in Sparrow Wallet. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.